Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we're gonna be making savory pancakes. They are amazing for breakfast, lunch, or even for dinner, and they are super easy, quick to make, and also extremely light and fluffy. This recipe is made with a few ingredients only, but can easily be customized to suit your taste as well. So I really hope you give them a try. First off, whisk together 2 eggs, a cup of yogurt, 100 milliliters of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt using a wire whisk just until you have a smooth batter. Add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and keep whisking. If the batter is too runny, you can make it thicker by folding a tablespoon of flour. The batter should look like this. Drop a little oil onto a non-stick frying pan, brush it everywhere and let it heat up. Once the oil is heated, pour about 1 tablespoon of batter onto the hot pan and spread it using the back of the spoon because they shouldn't be too thick. Cook until the bottom is nicely golden brown, then flip it over and cook until both sides are golden. Cook over medium-low heat so that they are thoroughly cooked, otherwise the outside will cook quickly and it will remain uncooked inside. If you want, you can add dill, green onion, parsley, or cheese for a little extra flavor. Repeat until you have used up all the batter and serve right away. They can be served with any of your favorite savory toppings, sauces, and spreads. And as I said before, many other ingredients like veggies, meat, or herbs can also be added to this basic savory pancake recipe to make them your own. The possibilities are infinite. So let us know your favorite way to cook and serve them in the comments down below. I hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out our other super easy and delicious pancake recipes. Thanks for watching!